On today's Pharma series, we shall be looking at suppositories. Suppositories are pharmaceutical dosage form that are made specially for areas of the body such as your anus and your genitals. They could contain either active pharmaceutical ingredients or not contain any important substance, and they are made for special areas of your body. So take note of these things. It's important that you know the following. Number one, suppositories melt at room temperature. They are made in such a way that they are supposed to melt at your body temperature. So if they stay open within normal room temperature, they begin to melt and become sticky. Because of that, as pharmacists, we would always give this instruction. Whenever you buy suppositories, keep them in the refrigerator before use so that they could be normal and firm enough whenever you want to use them. Number two, suppositories are usually inserted last thing at night. In fact, when you're about to go to bed. Reason being that immediately they are placed into your body, normally they are supposed to start dissolving. So if you insert them into your VJ or your anus and you stand up and begin to walk up and down, they will begin to like leak out of your body, and that will be nah. So always insert them last thing at night and follow the instructions that are found in the user's manual that comes with each of the design packaging. Lastly, I'll say this: when using suppositories, please always remove the external packaging. Don't make the mistake of trying to force everything inside. Remove the external packaging, peel it off, and then use clean hands to insert, or use the designated insertion stick, especially if it's for the VJ. Use the designated insertion stick. I hope you've learned something today. See you when I see you. Bye bye.